Transforming vintage furniture into wall art begins with a vision. Start by assessing the pieces you own or find at thrift stores and flea markets. Imagine how they can be reworked, whether by maintaining their original finishes or giving them a fresh coat of paint. Sketching out ideas can help clarify your vision and guide you as you embark on the transformation. There are several practical techniques for reimagining vintage furniture as wall art. One popular method is to detach elements, such as chair backs or door fronts, and mount them on wooden boards or canvases. Another technique involves using items like old shutters or doors as backdrops for smaller decor pieces or photographs, creating a layered and textured display.